In Denmark, it's become a trend to have ceramic vases and cups with, well, breasts on them, all different all different shapes and sizes, near, far, whatever you want. And my girlfriend suggested to me that, well, why not make one out of wood? Turn a vase and put breasts on it. That's exactly what I did. I had this nice lump laying around that I got from my mother. Actually, I helped her quite a while ago cut it down, and well, now it's mine because it's been on a fire pile for so long that well. So there's a lot of dead wood on it, and I cut it away and well mounted it on the lathe. As you can see, the lathe is nice and wobbly. It's always fun. So now it's just a matter of hugging it down. Problem with this kind of project is that you'll always lose a lot of wood. So there is a lot of wood, and you would be dreaming of having all of it to give a nice contour. But I decided to make the base where the two branches have been. I'll give us a nice coloring. And since this has been laying in a wood pile outside, it's nice and, well, not moldy but rotten. It's just perfect. So first part is always reducing down stock. I'll just skip on ahead for you guys a couple of times here. Because once you've seen hugging down once, you've seen hugging down many times. The trick with wood turning is always just getting it down to size so you can increase the speed, increase the speed, increase the speed. The faster it goes and the sharper your irons are, the better. And also you get a better idea of what the vase is going to be looking like. Now I've seen a lot of people who use epoxy and other stuff, but even though I'm a chemist, I'm not a fan of using that. So slowly it's taking more and more shape. And every now and then I stop it, inspect it, move my equipment around and get ready to start it up again. And here we just keep going, keep going, keep going. You guys can enjoy this for a little bit and we'll talk later. So having now reached roughly what I want, I decided to cut the head off a little. Because it was starting to just have this hole where I couldn't work anyway. So I flattened the head and I started boring a hole in it. It got these nice, fresh Forstner bits that are really good. And then it's just a matter of slowly moving it forward. Slowly progressing it. Having the lathe going around 600 RPM, so it's slower, and it's just progressing, 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 progressing. And I do that by gently turning the handle of the tailstock. Just gently moving it in. All in all, it's a simple project that, well, for this part, it's not that rough. I cut it out, but I also filled in the grooves with some glue, and I was just adding some wax. I added this wax and I left it on for 48 hours. At least 24 hours is good for this. It's microcrystalline, so it just needs time to work its way down before you polish it. As I say, it's all tits up from here because I make the small breasts. Just took a small piece, mounted it, and just worked its way down. Having reached the final shape, I just saw it down so I can get it to the files and mount it. The filing work took maybe half an hour. It's a matter of polishing the vase and mounting the breasts, and the final result of these 3 pictures. And I must say I'm quite happy with the result. I made this for me and my girlfriend. I don't think I would make them unless I had a specific order for them, because they're not necessarily that much fun to make because of all the filing work. So, thank you for watching and have an amazing day.